Let's learn have and has, sentences and questions. Let's start with sentences. He a bicycle. He has a bicycle. She a skateboard. She has a skateboard. They a boat. They have a boat. We a dog. We have a dog. They a cat. They have a cat. It a pink bed. It has a pink bed. I a new Xbox. I have a new Xbox. So we use have with he, we, and I, and has with he, she, it. Let's look at questions. She a kite? Does she have a kite? Yes, she does. He some money? Does he have some money? Yes, he does. They a football? Do they have a football? Yes, they do. They a basketball? Do they have a basketball? No, they don't. It blue wheels? Does it have blue wheels? No, it doesn't. He a red bicycle? Does he have a red bicycle? No, he doesn't. So for do, we use they, we, and I, and does, she, he, it. Now you can use have and has.